All right. So we're here today with Don Burnett, and he's going to show us the secret to keeping these garlics going for the long run, so that they make it right through the winter. So
yeah, as far as storage goes, you know,
yeah.
for years we just dug our garlic, left them out in the sun to kind of cure a bit, and then we'd hang them in the kitchen, and they never seemed to last and hold up properly. So last year, a couple of years ago, I had a good friend, Dominic Ramponi, brought his wife over, and she showed us what to do. You want to peel them, okay? So these are a little bit. I let them dry a little bit more than I should have, because it's nicer to do it when you first pick them out of the garden. But see how I'm peeling in here? See this here? Okay. Can you see that?
Yep.
Okay. Now watch this. Watch this. Look at that. Okay. You peel it right down to that nice inner peel. See? Take all that away. You getting that?
Oh yeah.
Okay, take all that stuff away, and then you end up with this. Taking that away, they just seem to hold up so much better over the winter. See how that's peeling?
Yeah. So you do peel it right back to where the actual clove itself is exposed.
Yeah. Just like that. And then of course I take my shears and I cut off the roots a little bit just to clean them up. And this garlic now, hanging in the kitchen, just under kitchen conditions, will last the whole winter.
And this looks like a red Russian or something like that.
That one.
So it's got red, and some of these have more whitish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see here? See that?
Yeah. And so it seems like that outer skin seems to have maybe some disease organisms in it because it was in touch with the earth or something.
Could have been. I don't know what does it, but I'm telling you that our garlic holds up. Now that I do this to it, it holds up through the winter nicely, just under kitchen conditions. See?
Right. So it's not even in cold. Just in the cupboard.
Yep. Just under that. Yep. Just like that.
In the pantry.
Now,
just like that.
There are some varieties that are not the hard neck. These are all hard neck.
Yep.
It's the soft one there. This is one of the soft ones left that you can actually braid. Now, I haven't got really into the braiding end of things because I just haven't had the time to do it. But braiding garlic and then having it in a stack. Now, I do have, give me a second here, I'll go grab some that I've bundled. I bundled it.
Oh yeah, that's
See?
beautiful.
Isn't that nice?
Nice and
stuff.
clean, eh?
Yeah, clean and dry.
And so you left them to dry for a period prior, just enough to dry them out.
A little bit.
A couple days.
I peeled these when they were still quite moist and easy to peel. They're harder to peel when they're dry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but yeah. There you
That's
have it.
great. Yeah, beautiful. Very nice. Yeah, well, that's great. That's the way to do garlic, and that's how to make them last. So that's awesome. That's what we all need to know. So thanks, Don. Appreciate the knowledge. It's awesome. Here.